皆さんこんにちは。Big TK Japanese です。Hello everyone, this is Big TK Japanese. Japanese KOTOWAZA number 25. Today's KOTOWAZA is 安物買いの銭失い. Today's table of contents. At first, I'll tell you about this channel. Next, I'll tell you about 安物買いの銭失い. Third, today's quiz time. And last, today's kanji, Chinese character. So, let's get started. At first, I'll tell you about this channel. If you know, please skip it. Maybe it has 30 seconds. This channel shows some Japanese culture and help you learning Japanese. I'm so happy when you get interested in Japan or Japanese culture by watching my videos. For spreading Japanese for more and more people, my recent goal is getting 100 subscribers until June. If you think it is good video, please subscribe and push the good button. And I also have a Twitter account. Please follow me or send me some dear messages. So, let's go next. Today's KOTOWAZA is 安物買いの銭失い. Hiragana is 安物買いの銭失い. 安物買いの銭失い. In English, cheapest is dearest. Like this. So from now, I'll teach you the meaning of these words. At first, this Chinese character sound is 安物, 安物, 安物. Meaning is cheap product, cheap products. And next one, sound is 買い, 買い, 買い. Meaning is buy. 買い. And next one, sound is の. Hiragana の. Meaning is of. And next one, sound is 銭. 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 Meaning is money. And last one, sound is 失い. 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 Meaning is lost. So the direct translation is the person who buy cheap products lost his money, lost his or her money. So the meaning, what this KOTOWAZA want to tell you is don't buy things the reason why it is very cheap. Because if you buy cheap products, much more cheap products, you will lost your money and you get not too good things. So it is waste of money. So you must not buy products because of it is cheap. Its cost is cheap. Like this. Can it make sense? If you want to know about this, if you want to know more about this KOTOWAZA, please search it or question to me by the comment. So quiz time. How to say the person who buy cheap products lost his money in Japanese KOTOWAZA? The answer is 安物買いの銭失い. Okay, let's go next. Today's kanji is this Chinese character. Sound is 安い or 安. 安い or 安. Meaning is cheap or safe. Can you memorize it? Okay, that's good. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. Please watch another video. See you in the next. Bye bye. またね